I purchased 25 sweeps coins for $5, which is amazing. And let me just show you the sweeps coins right here. I'll explain. Click on it again. It shows. Okay, so unplayed sweeps coins is $54.31. The redeemable sweeps coins so far is $24.94 because I played a game called Pin Rush, which I will show you in a moment here. And so altogether, everything, it totals $79. And so I got the 25 the other day, which added on to my unplayed sweeps coins. And that is just from signing in every day, and they give you free sweeps coins. And I'm going to show you right now. So I'm just going to go here. You go to Get Coins. You have to click that again. There we go. And then here it'll show you, sometimes there are really good deals. So you know, you buy $5, you get $5.05 in sweeps coins. That is not a good deal. You would never go for that. And so I'm just going to go to daily bonus here. And this is Chumba Casino. I always thought it was pronounced Chumba, but apparently it's Chumba. And so today, so you just go in. See, I did it the other day, and I did it yesterday, and I claimed. And then today I'm going to claim, I'm going to get 50 cents in sweeps coins. It doesn't seem like much, but all you do is you click on there, and then you claim. But before I hit claim, so tomorrow it'll be another 50 cents, and then $1, $1.50, and then $3. And it's like that every week, so it's $7 a week in sweeps coins. And I only sign in once a day. Let me just see what happens here. So I'm going to hit claim. And yeah, right. So you can go again. I can come back in here in 15 hours and 27 minutes to do it all again. And I don't usually do. I just go in once a day. So if you are, you know, you could make more if you sign in more often. Anyway, so now I am going to play Pin Rush, which is right here. Okay, yeah, so it's just, you know, the balls go down and they land in different spots here. And this is considered a low volatility game, especially if you select low, and over here you select 12. I'm going to play the lowest, so at 10 cents. And I am just going to play $25 worth of sweeps coins and show you what that's going to end up converting to. So if I play at 10 cents, get the calculator here. 25 divided by 0.10 equals 250. So I can do 250 of these. This means automatic, so I'm going to go to automatic here. 250. So if I do 99, I'll do 99, and then I'm going to hit play. And it'll start doing its thing. And you're going to see that, it's quite slow. So, and I don't have a whole lot of room on my laptop, so I am going to show you, I will pause this and I'll come back and show you, but basically right now it's sending 99 balls down. If it lands here, it'll be 9 times the 10 cents, or 2.8 times, 1.4 times, 1.2 times, 1.1 times, just equal 1. This is the only one that is less than 1, so it would be 0.5. And then over here it goes the same. It's 1, 1.5, 1.2, 1.4, 2.8, 9. But the chances of every single one landing here and getting -5 is slim to none. So it is none. Not everyone. None of them are gonna land. None of them are gonna land in there. But you see, they're landing in. You know, some of them for sure. They're landing in the one that's 0.5, and you can see over here on the left what's happening. So I have to stop the recording, and then I'll be back, and I am going to show you when I've turned, you know, what the $25 in sweeps coins ended up turning into. So we started at redeemable sweeps coins $24.94. The unplayed was 54, and I want to play 25. Okay, so now it's at 45.89, and unplayed is 33. So far I've done 218 balls, so I just have 7 more to go. 5. Okay, I'll do 5 automatically. Low, we want to make sure it's low, and 12 and everything. Okay, so here we go. So we'll do 5. And then I'll manually do 2 more. And then we're going to see the end result. Okay, so then I just hit this one for 1 ball. There it goes. Okay. All right, so these are the last 2. And then we're going to find out what 25 sweeps coins turned into real money. Now we click here. And now it's at 46.53. So we ended at 46.53. So 21.59. So you see the $25 in sweeps coins turned into $21.59 in real money. Real money, people, $21.59. And that just cost me $5 to get $21.59. That's a great profit. So I highly recommend getting into this letter writing side hustle. It really does pay off, and it's so fun.